Looking at the lock itself, here you can see the shackle or the clasp. Here's the lock serial number, and here you can see the charging port, and then the keypad where you enter the necessary password. This is the seal button, and here you can see the unseal button. On the back of the lock, this knob here either locks or unlocks the actual shackle itself, and it acts as the on-off knob. So in the vertical position, the lock is off and open, and in the horizontal position, the lock is secured and on. Here is a close-up of the lock screen. In order for the lock to function correctly, you need both a data upload symbol and a network connection. In order for the lock to be seen by the platform and located, you also need a GPS signal.
Once the lock is online, you can be seen on the platform. A blue icon means it's unsealed, green means it's sealed, and grey means it is offline.
So to use the lock, very simply, the driver would fit the lock by unlocking and placing the lock onto the trailer, as can be seen here. They then close the knob to secure the lock, and then following the instructions to seal the e-lock, you can see here it says long press the seal button, press that for 3 seconds, and you can hear the lock, and it tells you it's then sealing and seal OK. This lock is now electronically sealed
and can only be unsealed using a password from the web platform or smartphone app, or if inside a geofence, using the unseal button.
So to unseal the lock, press the unseal button to light up the LCD screen. You'll have the password given to you either from the app or your administrator. Then enter the password slowly. And once you've entered the password, it will tell you to press the unseal button, enter, and there you can hear the lock has unsealed.
And you can open the lock using the lock knob and the shackle here.
To unseal the lock, if you're inside a geofence, then light up the LCD screen by pressing the unseal button, and it says GetKey. You press the unseal button for 3 seconds, 2, 3. It then sends a request to the platform, and if your request is authorized after 5 seconds, the lock will then automatically unseal. You can hear it unsealing now, as long as you're inside a geofence.
That covers the basics of how to seal and unseal the lock. Don't forget the power down procedure, leave the clasp open for 30 seconds, and contact details for any more information are here.